Yeah. So I started recording. How are you guys?
Ma'am, we are
We're
fine.
good,
How are you?
ma'am.
All right.
Yeah.
Good. So let's have a third placket, which is box split, box placket, and then we'll be having another, which is concealed. Yeah. So we are starting with box placket. Just have a look. So basically, whatever width of your placket you have, which is normally 1/4 of an inch standard. So length of placket and width of placket, actual amount whatever you have to cut the fusing of that size, and then on fabric you will add 1/4 or 3/8 or half inch, depends on the look you will going to achieve. So here we can have 1/4, but if you want half inch, then you have to go half inch extra inside, uh, and we can create that box split look out of this. So this will be top of the shirt where your buttonhole will come. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
And normally the way we did last shirt for the buttons, it will remain same basic placket. Only for the buttonhole, this will be used as a box placket. All right. જલપા જૂના લાવજો. અરે આ પેલા હમણાં બનાય એ આપણે લાસ્ટ ક્લાસ. You can sit here also. So we have Simran, Harleen in the class here, physically. So last time what we did, yeah, so we did standard placket.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so on placket, diamond. So on top of it, whichever side or for whichever gender you are creating this, your seam allowance will be with this. You will stitch it over here and will come on top. And then you must have seen a lot of plackets which are open over here.
Ma'am, we cannot see where you're showing.
See,
Yeah.
when you put this, once you turn this out, you must have seen a lot of plackets which have opening over here. Like a little portion is looking like a box split, right? Even you can do that over here with simple placket. You will get to know once we start. So here we have front, which is where on this we are going to have buttonholes. So it is left or right based on your gender you will decide, right? So this is a wrong side of fabric or right. हाँ बाहर आवे ने हाँ. So this is a wrong side of a fabric. You will match your seam allowances. So from center front, yeah.
सेंटर फ्रंट से 5/8 आपका एक्सटेंशन है और 1/2 इंच आपका सिम अलाउंस है. और प्लेकेट में मैम ने जैसे बताया 1/4 प्लेकेट का विड्थ और 1/2 इंच सिम अलाउंस है. प्लेकेट बनते
ऊपर आवશે ને ટર્ન થઈ.
रॉन्ग साइड से रॉन्ग ओवरराइड करना है. फैब्रिक का रॉन्ग साइड है, प्लेकेट का राइट साइड. दोनों फेस करेंगे, फैब्रिक का रॉन्ग साइड और प्लेकेट का राइट साइड, दोनों फेस करेंगे।
मैम फैब्रिक का रॉन्ग साइड और प्लाकेट का राइट साइड।
Yes, because we need that placket to be right on right side. So when you turn your fabric, it will come on right side. And also we are using a different color thread, so you can see the stitching line.
फ्यूजिंग पे स्टिच नहीं लगाना है,
Fusing से 1 mm दूर रख के, so that that space allows you your fusing to turn towards front. Now you turn, give crease or give ironing. Again you have to put it crease or ironing and just plane it, and your inner part, the shirt part, should go inside. तने देखा से અહીંયા અહીંયા देखा से तने. Now from the edge, come inside 1/4 of an inch and give stitch line. Hold your entire placket properly so that it does not move anywhere, the excess fabric. It should be clean. So you achieve this look, and at the center you will have buttonhole. Now there is another look also. You give 1/4 from this edge. So here this part is, little open, which gives you that box pleat look. Now at the center you will have button and buttonhole. So I'll just show you how to do that. Scale के measure tape लाओ. So here is our seam allowance, which is 1/4 or 1 centimeter.
Yeah.
So this is 1/4 or 1 centimeter, depends. From there, you go down 1/4 of an inch, and your first button will be widthwise horizontal, and your buttonhole will be bigger than your button. So how do you decide that how much it should be wider? So you can see your button, and thickness of button of one side can be added into this total amount. So if you have button which is having a thickness of probably 2 mm or 3 mm, you will add that 3 mm into this and divide it on both sides. Now after this, in female case, you have to consider your apex point, and then you start dividing So if my apex point is here, then the button will come over here. So whatever amount of button I have, based on that,
मैम टॉप वाले कैमरा से क्लियर दिख नहीं रहा है.
yeah,
Like your fabric is not in the view of the top camera.
is it?
Ma'am, we can
Half
see
of the
half
fabric
now
is
right
it
now.
is.
See the fabric, but it's blocked. Your hands are blocking
ma'am.
the.
Yeah, ma'am, this is better. We can see
Yeah.
3/4 of the
So
fabric.
now, okay. Now at the center bust, I have made one buttonhole marking. Divide this into two or into probably three parts. So you can measure it and just see. This is like probably 5 inches. So we can have 2.5 or 1.5, but 1.5 would be too much over here. So here I'll have to take, yeah, no, wait, 2.5 right here. So my second button at the center divided by on both the sides, the second button. Now same distance will keep on going. Or if you want design feature, you may change your distance over here. You may change your distance over here. But somewhere you have to create it as a design. And you cannot just keep on randomly doing it, right? Now this same marking, the center, once you cut this,
Can you please explain it again, please?
what?
Ma'am, the distance one.
I marked, I mean, over here I left 1 centimeter or 1/4 of an inch, then came down 1/4 for the, horizontal buttonhole. Now, what is the reason to have horizontal button on the top?
Ma'am, for balancing, if we have stripes or checks, we can balance it. It will not move up and down after we put the button and buttonhole together.
Yeah, so basically it's not balancing, but when you wear shirt, it should not get open.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So even at bust, you may have vertical button as a after doing research. Now the second button point I took at bust level, because that is very, very important part in female garment. If you are doing male garment, then you simply go ahead with 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Here also it is coming nearby. So at center bust, then I divided this into two and middle is my another button. But if my bust level is little down, then I may have to divide it into three. So that depends on the, basically it should not be less than 2.5, the distance between two buttons. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So yeah. So this is box placket. ये तो हो गया, वो तो कोई. And the button thing will remain same, like a basic, simple, basic placket, like last time we did. Now we are doing concealed placket where you will not be able to see your buttons outside. So for that, you basically have center front, then your button extension. Yeah, light nathi yaar. Okay. So from center front, you go 5 by 8 over here. Then your button placket, which is 1/4, then 1 inch, then 1 inch and ½ inch. Because here we have 1/4, here we cannot have extra excess. Otherwise, when we close over or stitch over here, or combine together all the fabrics, we will be having a lot of bulk. So how it works now? From here, from center, this will be folded inside, right? Now, when I am saying concealed placket, it should be invisible. So I am closing this, and my placket where I have buttonholes will be inside 1/4 of an inch. So when I close my button, my placket which is outside will not be visible. Sorry, inside will not be visible. So here you can see clean look. So my buttonhole will come over here, or yeah, and sorry, not here, but on this buttonhole will come over here, and I will have a placket which will be a basic placket. So I close my button over here, I match my center front, right? Closed it, and when you have this portion over here, this is invisible completely. So we did French placket last time, which had a no stitch line. We can have that placket for the buttons. Now we are doing same thing on fabric. So same measurements you can write down later on. Harleen will take picture and share with you guys. Same thing we have done in entire garment, and we have fusing on placket, which is which is going to face towards the actual right side, towards my body. So here I have fusing, and my buttons will come, buttonholes will come over here.
Ma'am, could you show once again where the fusing is, please? Okay, ma'am.
All right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
All right. Now, is this fine? The top view?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear now.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay. આપણે એક મોટી હાઇલોજન લાઇટ જેવું જોઈશે કહેજો ને. All right. So look at over here how she is doing.
सिम अलाउंस वाले पार्ट को हम स्ट्रेट कर दे रहे हैं, उसको टर्न करेंगे.
Excuse me, ma'am.
सिम अलाउंस वाला पार्ट इनसाइड चला गया.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in the recording, could you pin the side view? Because it's better in that view. You can see it better in the side view.
नहीं.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is it visible? And is it okay with everyone? Guys, is it okay with everyone?
No, ma'am, it's not.
So what do you want? Because side view is not possible.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
top view is fine now.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. ચલો ચાલુ જ છે. I will send share videos with you. Don't worry. Just have a look.
ये राइट साइड है, ठीक है। एक्सटेंशन के बाद 114 है, 1 इंच है, वहां पे हर क्रीज लाइन बना दी है मैंने, ये मैंने क्रीज लाइन बना दी है, ठीक है। जैसे मैम ने आपको दिखाया, ये ऐसे क्रीज लाइन बन गया है।
ये ऐसे फोल्ड बन गया पहले। Can you see this fold?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
With that, I have inserted my sim allowance inside. Can you see? And now I will open this, and from on the crease line I will give stitch, so that my
Okay, ma'am.
entire placket will be done. Getting?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Please parallelly complete your work so that you do not load yourself and forget things. So you can see sim allowance inside here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Now when I turn this placket over here, all right, my buttons will come on this, sorry, buttonholes will come on this, and this is how my placket will remain. Here I will have buttonholes, and
Like on the inside.
yeah, it is concealed placket basically.
Okay.
So you don't see your buttons outside. So, or buttonholes. So here you have buttonholes, here you have buttons, and you close. And then this is how your garment will be closed. If you do not want even stitch line, then you can have hemming over there. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
And we are
Hemming will
done.
be in place.
Pardon?
Ma'am, hemming we will do in place of the stitch line, right? The same place.
Yes. And we
Okay,
are
ma'am,
done
okay.
with fourth demo today and for the class today. So now you will be doing your work and finish all 4 plackets. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, for the machine, which machine would you suggest for us to buy?
You are planning to buy it now?
Yes, ma'am. Like I have an old one, but I want to buy a new one now, as it's I have to take out the old one for selling it out.
Why? What is the reason?
I don't know. My mother said so.
Huh?
My mother said it's a very old machine that we have and it's not working quite properly. So then we have to take it out and buy a new one. So which one would you suggest?
Okay. Who took your last GC class?
Anoli, ma'am.
Okay. Does Bharat sir take any class?
No, not yet.
Okay. I'll send his number. You talk to him.
ma'am.
Because anyway, in March or April, you will be here. So what is the point buying your machine over there, you know?
Okay, ma'am.
So rather, if you have somebody where you can go and stitch, you do that, or you buy some, cheap version of machine,
Okay,
but
ma'am.
good quality. Yeah. So I'll give you his number. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. Chalo. Any queries? Any
Ma'am,
questions?
can we? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we like do hand stitches in, because we some of us don't have machine.
Yeah. No problem.
So,
You can do that.
okay, ma'am. So like it won't be that complicated, right? That we
No.
only have to
It
do
is
with
not.
machine.
It is not. It is not.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, me and Freya had a request. Ma'am, if it's possible, can we make a Google Classroom for GC and upload all the videos there also? Yes.
I am anyway sharing videos, and those are all available on YouTube. And I mean, what is the point? Problem?
Actually, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it becomes easier to access on the Google Classroom.
But I'm giving you in your mobile only.
ma'am, actually, all the videos are compiled there, so it gets easier in between the group text. A lot of links sometimes get missing, so that becomes a problem.
Ma'am, sometimes actually the WhatsApp data is lost for some students, so it gets troublesome.
Yes, ma'am.
And on the classroom, it is secure and we can anytime download any video we want and
So
also see it
even
online.
same thing, you go to my page and then you simply tick it, and you keep on watching later on.
Okay, ma'am.
You just
Okay,
subscribe it, because I find this easy. But I will try for Google Classroom. All right, for next class,
Okay, ma'am.
definitely.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, chalo. See you guys. And who is CR?
Ma'am, me and Freya.
Khushi and
Okay,
me.
Khushi.
Yeah.
Attendance,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Attendance.
Yes. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Chalo. See you soon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.